Hi, my name is Christopher Trudeau, and I'm the author of Django in Action. This book is for Python programmers who want to learn how to bring their projects to the web. In every chapter, you will add capabilities to Riffmates, a classified ad site for musicians. No toy examples here, you'll be building a project. The journey is divided into 3 parts. In part 1, you will learn Django basics like URL routing, writing page view code, and how to interact with the database. In part 2, you'll dive deeper and gain experience with more complex projects, including how to write a secure multi-user site, handle user-submitted forms, and accept uploaded files. Part 3 shows you how to use third-party libraries to expand your project even more, with techniques such as writing APIs and using modern frameworks like HTMX. Django in Action is available at manning.com. Pick up a copy today, then connect with me through the livebook page or reach out on Twitter. I'm @CLTrudeau.